Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here I am with today's drawing tutorial. So today I am making a drawing of the table. I am using the Staedtler 6B pencil to make my drawing. Just making a slanting line, one more slanting line in the other direction, another slanting line and one more. These lines basically I have drawn for the top of the table. Now making the standing line on the edges of the table and then joining them again with the slanting lines as I have drawn above that. Now from the standing lines that I have drawn, I am making standing lines, just extending those to the bottom and making another slanting line just as the top one. Now this side also I am just making another slanting line just as the one which is above it. Now again just making one more slanting line and creating the same shape just as the top one and joining this again with the standing line. Now I'll be making the legs of the table. So making one more standing line, another one. I am stopping all the lines at the slanting lines that I have drawn at the bottom. So just see that carefully. Now from the fourth corner I am making standing lines to show the leg which is at the back side. So here I am done with making the lines for the legs of the table. Just look at the lines carefully, just look at the length of the legs carefully. And after this I am making one more slanting line from this point and one more line from this point. Here I'll draw another part of the legs to show the width there. Now just starting with outlining the lines. So just doing it on top of the pencil lines that I have drawn. This drawing is very easy. Just look at the lines carefully and you'll be able to do it. And here I am using the Posca pen to give the outline for my drawing. So just doing it on the pencil lines that I have drawn. Just look at the lines carefully that I am outlining. I am just outlining at the slanting lines that I have drawn at the bottom to give the structure for the legs. Just outlining this line again, the standing line here. Next to it I am making one more line and again I will be just outlining on top of the slanting lines that I have drawn. So just look at the angles of the lines carefully and you will be able to make the drawing. It is not that difficult. Where you have to stop each line, just look at it carefully and how you need to outline it. So here we have got the structure of the table. I hope you have found the drawing very easy and the instructions are helping you to draw it easily. After this I am just erasing the pencil lines. I am using the Doms eraser to erase it. The link of all the products that I am using in my video is available in the video description. You can just go and check them there. So once I am done with erasing the pencil lines, I will just start with the coloring. So for coloring I am using the Faber-Castell colors and the Staedtler Lunar colors. So I am doing the brown color at the bottom part and in the legs. So the coloring technique that I always share, that we have to just do it in one direction and do not leave the spaces when you are doing the coloring to get the smoothness in your coloring. If you like the video, if you are finding it very helpful, just like and subscribe to my channel for the daily drawing tutorials. And also you can share the videos with your friends. And if you want me to draw anything specific, you can just mention it in the comment section. I will upload the video for the same along with the step-by-step instructions, the recorded instructions. You can just mention whatever you want me to draw in the comment section. So just doing the brown color in the legs. Now I am adding the green color at the top of the table. If you want to do some other color, you can do it. That is completely your choice. Just like and subscribe to my channel for daily drawing tutorials, and please turn on the bell icon to get the regular notifications. So we are almost done with our drawing for today. Do share your feedback about this video in the comment section. So here we are done with the coloring and drawing for today. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.